Hey, what's up WAXP Coin holders? I have two surprises for all WAXP Coin holder, my friend. The first surprise is you will better understand from thumbnail, because in the thumbnail I will give you, my friend, to in the 1st November the very huge explosion, the very big surprise is coming soon. So therefore, my friend, this big event is coming soon. So kindly you will never miss, my friends, to miss this chance. Please, for that you will need to hold down. If you are starting holding, then I hope you will get a profit. And the fix and the second surprise I am also explain a very good now for all of you. But kindly, before I start this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative and urgent updates videos. So the second surprise is, my friends, this to in upcoming time the price will more increase, because this time you can see, my friend, in the end of month, short time investor, my friend, you can see here starting selling, because my brother, absolutely some holder are starting buying at the start of month, but at the end of month they will starting selling. So therefore the price will fail us down. But don't worry, my friend, if we check out the last 24-hour chart, so in last 24-hour minus 0.5% the price is dumps down. And remember, to after a very huge pump they will dumps down. So therefore, my friend, this short taken, they will get a profit, my friend, for short term, but after that they will phase down. I hope, my friends, and when they will take a jump short, my friends, I'm also going, my friends, to starting selling, because I'm also, my friends, invest some time for short time. So therefore, in this month, my friend, I will invest for short time, and then I will get a very good profit from WAXP Coin, my friends. So I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to the 1st November. Also the big event is coming soon, because the personally says, my friends, the CEO personally says during upcoming time we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. To if they will starting collaboration, then I hope, my friends, in upcoming time the WAXP Coin price will be more and more increasing. So kindly holders, you will never need to starting selling, you will need to hold down. I hope in upcoming times the WAXP Coin price will more and more increasing. See you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.